Samsung has just officially unveiled the Galaxy Watch Fei. This has indeed surprised everyone because most of us expected this watch to be presented alongside the Galaxy Watch 7 at the upcoming Galaxy Unpack, but it seems that Samsung wanted to unveil this watch in advance so there wouldn't be so many products during the Galaxy Unpack. Remember that Samsung's FE series stands for Fan Edition, and therefore these products are a bit more affordable, although they also have slightly adjusted specifications. In this case, the watch closely resembles the Galaxy Watch 4, so if you already have a Galaxy Watch 4, it might not be worth making the switch. However, if you've never owned a Samsung watch, this could be your first one because it is priced a bit lower than the others. In the design, the bezel size is what will most noticeably indicate that it is an entry-level watch. It is available only in the 40mm size, so it is quite small and comes in 3 colors: black, rose gold, and silver. It also includes new straps that have areas with intricate stitching in a variety of different colors, making it look significantly more attractive, appealing, and visually appealing than the current generations. You can change the straps with a single click, and interestingly, this Galaxy Watch Fei comes protected with sapphire crystal, unlike the Galaxy Watch 4 where we don't find this feature, so it might indeed catch some attention. It also features Samsung's bioactive sensor, so you can perfectly have different monitoring styles for all your exercise, physical activity, and overall well-being. It is also capable of analyzing your sleep and your heart health through heart rate monitoring, such as your heart rate. It also includes alerts for high or low heart rate and even for irregular heart rhythm, slightly. In fact, it's interesting that this watch also includes blood pressure monitoring and the ability to perform electrocardiograms, although this is obviously only available in some selected markets. However, at least in Mexico, this feature is available. This watch can monitor more than 100 different types of exercises, provide you with advanced running analysis, and of course also show you the different heart rate zones while you are exercising, such as while you are running. It is also capable of performing a body composition analysis so that by simply placing your fingers on the electrodes, it can scan your body and tell you the percentage of water, fat, and muscle mass you have. This monitoring is quite advanced, and so far I have only seen it in Samsung watches. Honestly, since this is a Fei edition, I thought this feature would be removed from this more basic edition, but Samsung has surprised by integrating practically all the monitoring features of their higher-end watches. And evidently, being part of the Galaxy ecosystem, you'll be able to take photos directly from the watch, find your phone, and many other interactions. The price for this watch in Mexico is $3,999. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies to give you an idea, but remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there. Its water resistance level is 5 ATM, so you can also go swimming with it. It seems that the only compromise Samsung has made with this watch is the large bezel around the screen. And of course, the screen doesn't seem to be of the highest generation, but anyway, if it works, it definitely works.